Hello everyone, welcome to another LinkedIn tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to go live on LinkedIn. Now, going live on LinkedIn is pretty easy. However, you will need to have a third-party application or platform to go live. Now, for example, as you can see right here, make sure before you go live to have at least two devices on hand before your stream. Why? Because two screens will give you the freedom to conduct the live stream video and monitor and moderate live comments that come through. So it's a must to do to connect with your audience, create community, and build a conversation. Again, it's not a it's recommended. It's not really a must, but it's a recommended thing that you can do. Obviously, you can sign up for a third-party streaming tool. You have Social Live, you have Switcher Studio, you also have Restream as well, which are some of the apps that you can connect through. Now, obviously, the second thing you want to do is you want to connect the tool to your LinkedIn. So how you will do this, for example, on Restream, you sign into your Restream account or create a new one, click on Schedule Event on your Restream homepage. You will need to choose how would you like to stream. You can use a web-based Restream Studio, another encoding software such as OBS, stream or pre-recorded video, or stream a playlist of pre-recorded videos. Now you want to add your event details, title, description, date, time, and thumbnail. Check the box for create an event page on social platforms if you want LinkedIn to create a page for the event. However, this will depend on what application you will use, so I cannot really give you accurate things here. However, you want to connect tool to your LinkedIn account. So once you decided on the right third-party tool, just make sure to do that. Create your LinkedIn live stream by going on LinkedIn and creating an event. Just go and type in LinkedIn live event. And here, as you can see, you will get started with live events. Just click create an event, and that will lead you to this page right here, as you can see. Now for myself, as you can see, I'll need to upload the cover image, select an event format, event time, time zone, start and end date, and then the description as well as speakers. I'll have to go through it in order to set it up. Now, set up your stream, and from there, obviously you want to optimize your setup. You want to make sure you have the internet connection for this to be able to work. And obviously you want to go live by just going on your platform and clicking go live. And that will pretty much do it, right? That's how you can go live with LinkedIn events or live stream on LinkedIn. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on how to set up everything, I can create one. However, this is pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.